classroom ko po, mama. Ito po yung sagot.
Ay, oo. Classroom mo yan.
Tapos nandun yung arts and craft room ko po. Tapos nandun kami lagi pupunta for the movie room. We're supposed to go there, right?
Oo.
Like always. The teacher will be an old lady or not.
Are you excited?
I'm excited for the school, but not the teachers.
Aray ko! Ano ba? Ano ba yan?
Dito kami nagpe-pray.
Oo. Sandali.
It's... Why don't we
So,
go upstairs?
bawal.
Why?
Eh kasi baka sabihin na hindi pwedeng pumasok.
We go to this elevator.
CR ka. Gusto mo mag-CR?
See, ano? Yung mag...
Natutuwa si ate. Namimiss niya ang...
No, walang classroom.
Namimiss niya ang... Lako. La Consolacion College.
It looks so happy. I wonder what will my grades are like. So it's gonna be so haunted and horrified.
Ito ang CR ni... Tinanggal na yung unang... Dati may CR dito. Ngayon may lababo na. Oh, nagbago na yung toilet. Lumaki na. Dati maliliit eh. Oo, nawala na yung lababo dito. I used to CR dito nung college ako.
I was about to say, let's go to the main hall.
First to third.
There's even like a church over there. And then, meron ganito. And then, that used to be my grade 1 classroom over there, upstairs. And yeah.